So shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, cause that's your birthday. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to feel the buzz. I'm in the habit, I ain't in the making love.
Happy birthday, cousin! 21 ka na, debo mo na. Siyempre, jowa tayo na. Wish ko sa'yo, siyempre, dapat ingatan mo lagi yung health mo. Magpapabayaan sa sarili mo kung ano man ginagawa mo. And yung career na tinatahak mo, alam ko naman nag-enjoy ka dahil talent mo yan. Sana, ayun, maging successful ka lang. And more blessings and good health and jowa soon.
Happy birthday, Riel. Ayan, mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Enjoy mo lang yung life mo. Tapos, mag-asawa ka na rin.
Bye-bye! Happy birthday! Love you!
Happy birthday, Riel!
Happy birthday, Riel! Love you, Riel!
Happy birthday! Good health! And lagi ka mag-iingat. At always keep your, keep your feet on the ground. Huwag tataas, huwag magiging mataas na tao. Panatalihin maging mabait at masipag at mapagmahal sa magulang. We love you, Riel! We miss you and happy birthday! More birthday to come. Love you!
Happy birthday, Riel! Basang masasabi ko, love you, love you.
Happy birthday, Riel! Ingat ka palagi. God bless you always. Love you.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Riel! We love you! Hope na sana ay mas lalo pang maging maganda yung kalusugan mo. At lagi mong tandaan, very proud kami dito sa'yo. Love na love ka namin dito. Love ka ni nanay. Huwag mong pababayaan ang sarili mo. Sana palaging happiness at saka yung maayos na kalusugan ang makamdan mo. God bless you, anak, and we love you.
Hi Riel! Happy 21st birthday! So grabe, 21 years old ka na. We wish you all the best as you celebrate this special milestone. We hope and pray to God na palagi ka niyang i-keep safe, bigyan ka niya ng good health, and also more opportunities to come and success in life. So, we miss you here in the Philippines and we hope to see you soon. Happy birthday! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Kuya. Mag-iingat kayo palagi sa Singapore. I wish for many more birthdays to come. Love you. Ingat.
Happy birthday, Gabriel! Happy birthday, Dico! Wish ko sa'yo, sana yung winish mo nung New Year na nandyan kami, sana matupad na siya. At alam ko rin na darating din ang tamang panahon na makikita mo ang iyong one and only. Lagi kang mag-iingat sa pagpasok sa military at lagi kang gabayan ni Lord sa lahat ng gusto mong gawin sa buhay. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Dico! We love you! Happy birthday! Ingat palagi!
Happy birthday, Tico, and God bless you.
Happy birthday, Dico!
Happy birthday, Dico!
Happy birthday from Vietnam! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Riel! Ingat ka lagi dyan! Enjoy mo lang ang birthday mo, anak. We love you.
Happy birthday, Riel. I hope mag-enjoy ka ngayong birthday mo and ingat ka palagi and God bless you more and happy birthday again.
Happy birthday again. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Riel! Happy 21st birthday! God bless! See you soon. Love you!
Happy birthday to you.